we're going to ready, righty, read, write, ink. Today is a sound recap day. We're going to recap all of the sounds that we have learnt so far, and we're going to start by doing some speed sounds. See if you can say them quicker than me. J, k, z, d, o, a, G, I, U, P, K, B. Let's move on to our digraphs and our trigraphs. Ng, a thing on a string. The sound is ng. Shh, shh, says the horse to the hissing snake. A, may I play? The sound is A. Ooh, poo at the zoo. The sound is ooh. O, blow the snow. The sound is O. I, fly high. The sound is I. Qu, qu, qu. The princess in the tower is rescued by the horse. The princess says, thank you. Ch, the horse sneezes when the caterpillar's hair tickles his nose. Chew. Nk, I think I stink. The sound is nk. And the last one, E. What can you see? The sound is E. Well done, everyone. Now let's play a game. We're going to play bingo, just like we play when we're at school. Now I'm going to give you a minute to make sure you've got everything ready. You need your bingo board. It needs to be split into 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you need a sound in every box. Have you got it? Okay. I'm going to call out a word. And if the first sound in that word is on your bingo board, then you can put a cross through it. If I said jelly, jelly begins with j, so I could put a cross through j. If I said monkey, monkey begins with a you could put a cross through this box. Okay, I think we're ready. Let's get started. Our first word is going to be hat. Hat. What sound does hat begin with? Sound it out on your Freddy fingers if it helps. It's a hat. Hat. If you've got on your bingo board, cross it off. Our next word is run, run, run. The first sound is run. It's an R. If you've got R on your board, cross it off. The next word is smash, smash. What's the first sound in smash? Smash, smash. It's S. I haven't got S on my board. I can't cross anything out. Our next word is going to be jump, jump, jump. Jump. If you've got J on your board, cross it out. Our next word is caterpillar. Caterpillar. What's that first sound? Caterpillar. Curl around the caterpillar. If you've got K on your board, mark it off. Our next word is monster. What does the word monster begin with? Monster. It's an Cross it off on your board. I've got an on my board. How many have you got left? I've just got 1, 2. I've just got 2 spaces left. Our next word is going to be zebra. Zebra. What does zebra begin with? Zebra. Z. It's a Z. Cross it off on your list if you've got it. Now this is our last one. Some of you might have crossed all of your letters out already. I've still got one left. Our last word is dinosaur. Dinosaur. What sound does dinosaur begin with? It's a D. Dinosaur. If you've got a D, cross it off on your list. I've got a full board so I can shout bingo! Let's have another game. Turn over your bingo board or get a new sheet of paper, split it into 6 again, and this time can you put digraphs or trigraphs into your bingo board? I've got sh, qu, I, oo, ng, and a. Now this is tricky. You're going to have to turn on your listening ears because these sounds don't always come at the beginning of words. Sometimes they're in the middle and sometimes they're at the end. So you're going to have to listen super carefully. I've got my pen. And our first word is shop. Shop. What digraphs or trigraphs are in shop? Shop. Shop. Sh is the digraph in shop. If you've got sh, mark it off on your board. I had it. Let's do another. Here we go. Our next word is sing. 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 Ng. Ng. The digraph in sing is ng. See if you can cross it off. Our next word is play. What's the digraph in play? Play. 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 A, it's on this finger. It's the last sound in the word. It's play. A. May I play? The sound is A. If you've got A, cross it off. Going to start going a little bit quicker now. Our next word is poo. Poo. What's the digraph in poo? Ooh. It's ooh. Cross it off. Our next word is blow. Blow. What's the digraph? Blow. Blow. I haven't got it on my bingo board. Blow. O. O. The sound is O. Can you find it on your bingo board? Our next word is hi. It's just got two sounds in it, but one of them is a trigraph. Hi. I. 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 Has anyone got I on their board? I have. I. What does it look like? Like this. Our next word is thin. Thin. Sound it out. In. Thin. What's the digraph in thin? It's. Cross it off if you've got it on your board. And then we've got one more to go. Look, I've just got one square left. What's the last sound that I've got on my board? It's qua. You're right. Our last word is quit. I quit. 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 Qua. 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 It's qua. I've done it. Have you done it too? If you filled your board, shout bingo! Maybe you could play bingo with your grown-ups at home. Well done, everyone.